Hello guys, now we are going to present a video about networks. What is a computer network? A computer network are two or more computers that are connected together to share resources such as hardware, data, and software. Most common are the local area network or LAN and the wide area network. One, a LAN can range from a few computers in a small office to several thousand computers spread throughout dozens of buildings on a school campus or in an industrial park. Some advantages to use computer network. Uh, File sharing. Have you ever needed to access a file stored or another computer? A network make it easy for everyone to access the same file and prevent people from accidentally creating different versions. Communication and collaboration. It's hard for people to work together if no if no one knows what anyone else is doing. A network allows employees to share files, view other people's works, and they change ideas more efficiently. Sorry. In a larger office, you can use email or and instant messaging tools to communicate quickly and to store messages for future reference. Organization. A variety of scheduling software is available that make it possible to arrange meetings without constantly checking everyone's schedules. These software usually include other helpful features such as share, address book, and to-do list. Number four, remote access. Having, having your own network allows greater mobility while maintaining the same level of productivity. With remote access in place, users are able to access the same file, data, and message even when they are not in the office. This access can even be given to mobile handheld devices. The benefits, they can send files from one computer to another quick, easily. You can connect all the computers which are connected through a network to the internet by using a single line. So it's mean that you can save connection cost for each computer, but your internet connection must be fast. If you want to access data from other computer which is the part of network, then you can access data from that computer.
Now, in the business context, computer networks can be really asset. This includes storage and retrieval of information, reducing the need of paper traffic and record keeping in paper format. What I'm trying to say, for example, companies get spend a lot of money because they start to write all their data on paper. But if they use digital information, they can save a lot of money and they don't waste money in papers. Um, as well as rationalizing the time that the staff spends producing correspondence and accounts. And what I'm trying to say, because companies are worldwide, that they share data each other. When a company in a country needs some data, the company that has the data sends it to the other country. The big danger that the real purpose of a computer network is not fully served if results in installation and maintenance that is not adequate for use. Well, for example, if I introduce a new network on the company, the problem is that I cannot give it a nice maintenance because if I'm not good in the area, I can drop the network or do something bad. In a in a in a business context, the following uses are share resources such as printer. What I'm trying to say, make a wireless printer that it is not necessary to connect your printer to the computer. So You can send the print doc, you can print your document with a wireless connection and send share data on a central server. Like I said before, the companies worldwide and they can share data each other because one company has information that the other companies doesn't have. And communicated via email, this is the most common communication that we have. Exchange information via internet network. The integrate the whole business operation into a network operation included sales activity. That what I'm trying to say, including sales activity is that you are making an inventory of all the sales that you are making, and you can send it to another. You can send it to your boss, for example, or he can check it out. Each state introduces an extra layer complexity to the operation and extra level of staff and expertise and assessment.
Okay, now I'm going to explain you what is a network topology. First, a topology is the characteristic of a communication network that is related to the physical and logical connection. In this case, the configuration of the cables and the the logical way in which each system is structured on a network. Topology is therefore physical or logical arrangement of computers. Factors to consider when selecting a topology. First, the cost. Like for example, the cost depends in which areas are spread the network. Like for example, in the same area like a school, a house, or a company or a building company. Sorry. So this may be achieved by using the proper hardware linking cables, good modems. Therefore, it's going to be cost-effective computers to reduce the cost. Second, the flexibility. One of the main benefits of a network, in this case of a topology, that you need to consider is the ability to have the data processing and peripheral nodes distributed around a given area. This means that the computer power and equipment can be located close or far away from the center of the network, because the arrangements of, like for example, the furniture, the things, all of the building is often subject to change. The topology should allow for easy reconstruction of the network, which involves moving existing nodes and adding new nodes. The third one, reliability. The topology chosen for a network can help by allowing the location of the fault to be detected and provide some means of isolating the faults. Okay, now I'm going to pass to the types of network topology. The first one, what is a star topology? First, a star topology, as its name says, it simulates, it is viewed like a star. What this means, all of the computers of a network are attached to one central device. That is a, like for example, advantage and disadvantages, because like the advantages of the star topology, the diagnostic of problems is easy, because if all of the computers are connected to a central device, maybe the central device is the device that are having some problems. Easy to add new computers to the network, because like for example, the most common devices are the switches or hubs that have lots of ports that can be used to connect many computers and create nodes. In this case, a node is a group of computers connected to one central device. You can have central devices connected to other central devices. So you can create lots of nodes. Another advantage of the star topology is that provide it provide server so easy. Like for example, the servers, the firewalls, and the other things can be connected to the same central device. The disadvantage of the star topology, there is a central node dependency. What this means? In this case, if the central devices fails or have some mistakes or problems, all of the network will be broke, will be lost, and always requires a very long cable length when connecting many nodes. Now the next topology, the bus topology.